Alright, so imagine opening Minecraft, clicking play, and then getting hit with this Minecraft has not started because of an unknown error message. At first, I thought my game was completely broken. But the weird part is the fix is actually really simple. First, go to the bottom right corner of TLauncher, click the little settings gear icon and hit update launcher. It's only around 2 megabytes. So let that finish first. Now here's the thing most people don't realize. If your game version is set to latest release, that can actually cause the startup issue. Yeah, the recommended option is sometimes the problem. So click the version drop down and choose a stable version instead. What worked perfectly for me was Optifine 1.2 1.9. Now hit install and wait for Minecraft to download all the required files. It's around 600 megabytes. And honestly, I thought it still wouldn't work, but right after the download finished, the game launched completely normal. No more unknown error. So now you know the fix. Update TLauncher, switch from the broken latest release version and install a stable version instead. Now you can finally get back into your world instead of staring at that annoying error screen. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more quick Minecraft and PC fixes.